performance of the classical Indian dance form Kathak and its traditional composition Tarana that showcases graceful movements, intricate rhythmic footwork.
To invite the young and talented Kathak practitioners to grace the stage for a captivating performance to lift the curtain on the next segment of our celebration. This performance is dedicated to the doyen of Kathak King, late Padma Vibhushan Pandit Birju Maharaj Ji.
Tana dere na dim tana na tana dere na dim tana na tana dere na dim. Tana dere tadari dani dim tana na tana dere tadari dani dim tana tana dere na tadari dani tana tana dere na tadari dani tana tana dere na tadari dani tana tana dere na dim tana na tana dere na dim tana na tana dere na dim. Da dere na dere na dere na dim da na na da dere na dere na dere na dim da तदा रे दानि दीं तनन तन दे रे तदा रे दानि दीं तनन तन दे रे न दादा रे दादा रे दादा रे दीं तनन तन दे रे न दीं तनन तन दे रे न दीं
दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्मा दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते I fold my hands before the Lord, the maintainer of this creation, in the form of this light. I adore this light, which destroys all the pains resulting from my omissions and commissions. Lighting of the lamp is an invocation of knowledge and ushering in prosperity and joy, which invites and signifies the presence of the Almighty. I request our principal monk to escort all the dignitaries to light the lamp and give an auspicious start to today's program.
जा Leadership is not a position or a title, it is action and examples. Since our esteemed principal, Srimati Radhamani Iyer, leads by providing creative examples, I can relate this maxim to her. A multifaceted personality, she is the one who has the zeal to nurture every child is unique. In honoring discipline and embracing freedom, Ma'am has woven together the threads of tradition and innovation, creating a tapestry of learning that is both timeless and transformative. Yes, we welcome our dear Principal Ma'am, Srimati Radhamani Iyer, to please come forward and speak few words of wisdom.
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. My pranams at the lotus feet of Swami Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda, and my namaste to our own Commissioner KDMC, Mrs. Dr. Hindurani Jhakad. Ma'am, really we thank you for your presence from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, ma'am. And Hari Om, all my dear parents, all my guests, all guests present here, from bottom of my heart, Hari Om and Namaste. And all my teachers, and most importantly, our bright and talented students. Give a big round of applause to them. I welcome you all for our much anticipated annual day celebration. It is both an honor and privilege to stand before you today, not just as the principal of this esteemed institution, but as a fellow traveler through the intricate path of learning, life and learning. Today, as we gather to celebrate our achievements and milestones, I want to address a topic that touches each one of us, especially our young learners. Our children are growing up in a world vastly different from the one we knew. The rise of digital culture has brought with it new terms and phenomena such as FOMO. Have you heard this? F-O-M-O, FOMO? The fear of missing out. This fear often magnified by the endless streams of social media, which can lead to an identity crisis among our youth, as they try to find a unique place in a world that constantly tells them how they should look, how they should think and act. We, the elders, the teachers, the parents, possess the profound ability to guide our young ones through these confusing times. And today's annual day is that, the example of that. And I'm thankful to Dr. Radhakrishnan Pillai for granting us the permission to adapt this masterpiece, Chatur Chanakya versus World Wide Web, into our annual day stage. Your book has inspired us all, and we hope you enjoy this adaptation of it, sir, as much as we enjoyed reading it. Your presence today means world to us. Namaste, sir. Strong academics play a crucial role in fostering a positive learning environment. They set high standards for both teachers and students, creating a culture of excellence and continuous improvement. At Arya Gurukul Nandiveli Kalyan East, this academic rigor encourages learners to challenge themselves, think critically, and engage deeply with the material. As you all know, that project-based learning is an indispensable part of our curriculum. In the last academic year, Arya Gurukul has introduced reading as a unique project-based learning activity. I cannot stress enough about the benefits of reading. Reading enriches both the mind and soul. Academically, reading enhances vocabulary, improves comprehension and critical thinking skills, promotes cognitive health, and strengthens writing abilities. On an emotional level, reading can be a source of comfort and relaxation. a must for school-going children. And I'm happy to share that we have received wonderful reactions from our students to this project-based learning activity. I would also like to specify that Arya Gurukul does not see project-based learning activities as separate from scholastic. At Arya Gurukul, everything is a project-based learning, whether it is a field trip or a green school activities or an annual day. As you all must be aware that our focus on environmental sustainability has encouraged us to take the Green School project with much passion and eagerness. With this, students have created their own vegetable beds, thoroughly studied the qualities of the soil, understood the seasonal fruits and vegetables, learned to make bio-waste manure, studied how bioenzymes can be used to make eco-friendly soaps and cleaners, and worked towards a zero-waste school campus. Give a big round of applause to them. And the most important thing is that all these topics were a part of their curriculum for subjects such as science and social studies, making the Green School project an extension of their academics, leading to learning for life. I'm also deeply grateful that the whole pursuit of scholastic and co-scholastic, Arya Gurukul remains true to one of the most crucial elements of its school philosophy, and it is to be a school with values. Talent without values is lopsided. It is lopsided. Parents, we cannot have one-sided only academics. It should go together, hand in hand. We need values for talent to be used to benefit the world at large. Although we are an activity-based school, academics remains at the forefront of our focus, with activities being a catalyst to foster learning and deepen the understanding of concepts. Similarly, our school annual day event is not just a platform for students to show their talents, but a culmination of all that they have learned throughout the year. Our primary students, yes, we have two presentation. So our primary students will be presenting Laughter Right, which is an honest attempt to showcase the value of universal outlook in a light-hearted manner. We, the team Arya Gurukul, promise to ramp up the happiness quotient. Yes, dear parents, today's annual day will reflect happiness quotient for all before you leave the auditorium today in the afternoon. And now I would like to take the opportunity to pay homage to my Guru, Swamini Aradhanananda. Swamini's contribution to children's literature are noteworthy. As the editor of Balvihar, a crucial member of the Chinmaya mission, she left for her heavenly abode on 22nd March 2024. I request all to stand a minute silence in her remembrance. Thank you. Please be seated. Thank you all for your kind attention. Wish you all a great day ahead. Namaste and Hari Om.
Hey Pearl, today we are not just flipping through pages, we are diving into the heart of a school's annual report, and we promise it will be more exciting than your favorite Netflix series.
True, Ananya. Now, let's be real for a second. Who doesn't love a good annual report? I mean, forget about the Oscars, but this is the real highlight of the year. But hey, I'm not here to bore you with those charts or graphs. We're about to uncover the most juiciest details and the most jaw-dropping moments from the past year. Get ready to be amazed.
Imagine this, our school buzzing with so much energy. It puts a rock concert to shame. We are talking about a place where dreams are nurtured, talents are unleashed, and friendships are forged that last a lifetime. Yep, That's the magic of Fiery Gurukul. And trust me, it's about to get even more magical as we flip through this annual report.
Today, we have our friends here who will give you the inside scoop on what went down the last year. Get ready for some epic storytelling and maybe even a few surprises along the way.
So without further ado, let us give a round of applause. Let us give a round of applause and call upon our team of 18 report readers who are going to take the stage by a storm. Get ready to be entertained, inspired, and maybe even a little bit amazed.
Let's do this.
Let us put our hands together and welcome our Aryans on the stage.
भारत की अपनी शान है, धरती ये महान है, इसके गीत गाएंगे, जान भी लुटाएंगे, आज ये इकरार करना है, गुल को होशियार करना है।
Good afternoon to all and welcome to this edition of Report Presentation from the desk of AG Reporters. This is Neetu and my friends Swada and Ayush, and we have brought to the board what the year 2023-24 was all about for us Aryans. Our achievements, proud moments and appreciations, guided by the vision of our school to be a premier educational organization which provides foundation for life in the global world to the next generation, and the mission of our school to prepare the 21st century learners meeting the highest educational and ethical standards in a caring and collaborative environment supported by a motivated workforce, technology and research while partnering with higher education, family, civic organizations and businesses.
Entrenched in the principles of Chinmaya Vision program and in alignment with the NEP, we are effervescent to march ahead with enthusiasm, the French word for gusto. And now, without much ado, let us begin our achievements at the national level. Our student, Ms. Zoya Sheikh, participated in yoga at the Khelo India Khelo event. She bagged the second prize. Congratulations!
Master Hitesh Kumkar steals the show at the national level for being selected under Super 100 winners for Veergatha 3.0. News in detail about the event: 1,36,87,581 students across Pan-India participated in this event. The students were felicitated and awarded a cash prize of Rs 10,000 by the Defence Minister. Master Hitesh Kumkar had the privilege of being invited to witness the Republic Day parade.
Next, we have Master Shravan Kaidari of Grade 8, who put others in shade by topping the Exceed National Level Learnometer test. Exceed also conducted an exclusive test for him and titled him as the Genius Kid.
Another cause for honor has been the phenomenal feat of Master Vivan Valani for securing first position in the second round of National Analytical Aptitude Test or NAT. Also, Master Aditya Sunil Jadhav secured second position in the second round of National Analytical Aptitude Test or NAT.
Master Advait Avadhut Joshi put his best foot forward. He stood first in the 10th National Level Abacus Competition 2023-24 in Category C, organized by Wonder Kids in affiliation to the International Abacus Organization, Abacus King. Category C is the third level in the Abacus curriculum, which consists total of 8 levels. This national exam is held once every year.
Aryans East the CBSE National Adolescent Summit 2023 held at Delhi in December by securing prizes at 4 different categories. First, Health and Wellness Stall Exhibition won with an outstanding performance. Second, in Rhetoric Young Orators Championship, Nigel Kutil won the Special Jury Award. Third, in Sur Sangam, Indian classical dance under the category of Kathak, Snehal Singh won the Special Jury Award. And last but not the least, in Pachala Nukkad Ki and contemporary themes, Gaurav Valecha won with an exemplary performance. The meritorious performance of Aryans, Clarissa Kori, Tejal Chavli, Raima Mukherjee, Apurva Kalibere and Aparna Nair won by the second position at the national level Anuvrat Group Singing Competition, a testimony to the all-round development in student personality. So,
Ready for more, audience?
I now have Parthan and Atharva for the next updates.
Arya Gurukul played an active role at the 29th CBSE National Sahodaya Conference held at the Westin, Powai. Our teachers presented a paper on reimagining the changing landscape, quality transformation in school education, which was published in the e-magazine. Our students also depicted our school best practices that reflected the new policies and innovative practices implemented at our school, with a special emphasis on NEP 2020 and NCFFS 2023. Aryans shine at international level, and here is how. Miss Tiana Pillai, studying in grade 8th, was graced with the silver medal at the Cultural Olympiad held at the Chulalongkorn University, Thailand. She received a medal and a certificate from the Indian Embassy diplomat in Thailand. Aryans make news, and here is how. Arya Gurukul Nandivali's episode of Skill Titan Season 1 was aired on CNBC TV 18 on 25th November 2023. We extend our heartiest congratulations to our student, Master Nigel Kotiel, for representing our school with excellence. Arya Gurukul proudly participated in the prestigious Chinmaya Vidyalaya Khel Mela 2023, All India Chinmaya Vidyalaya Athletics Meet organized by Chinmaya Vidyalaya Chennai at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Chennai. Now, it's over to my friend Atharva.
Thank you, Parthan Bhaiya. With a total of 38 schools and 800 students participating, the event featured 8 exciting games. Out of the talented participants from Arya Gurukul, 15 students comprising 4 girls and 11 boys showcased their skills. Notably, several Arya Gurukul students exhibited outstanding performances, securing places in the finals. Brunal Patole, Manas Salunke, Tirumalai Nambi and Pratik Nayak. So now we have Chaitanya and Kaira for the best wishes.
Thank you, Atharva Bhaiya and Patak Bhaiya. Heartiest congratulations to the students and coach Mr. Nishikant Uprekar for their remarkable achievement. Now it's over to my friend Kaira. Thank you, Chaitanya. Now it's time for best wishes. Congratulations to Abhilasha Jha, Ahana Roy, Sailit Sagar for being recognized among the 10 excellent art warriors in the Pariksha Pe Charcha art and painting competitions initiated by the PMO office. Now, for more such updates, we have Ishita Didi and Nigel Bhaiya.
Thank you, Kaira and Chaitanya. Audience, are you good at spelling? If yes, congratulations. If not, do not worry, but do applaud our students Aryan Tripathi of grade 5 and Vivan Valani of grade 6 for their outstanding performance at the International Spell Bee competition, as they have both secured a perfect score of 100 and have become international toppers, even being awarded with a certificate of accomplishment with the Inter-School Topper stamp. Out of 2,000 students in the Mumbai region, our students Aryan Tripathi and Vivan Valani have secured the 5th position. A proud moment indeed.
Whether it's Google or Apple or free software, we have got some fantastic competitors and it keeps us on our toes, says Bill Gates, which also states where there is competition, there is success. Aryans have proved their mettle at the Olympiad exams, and the results are only getting better.
Indeed. So let us now talk about the SOF exams, that is, the Science Olympiad Foundation exams that our Aryans have had under their belt for the year 2023-24. A total of 285 students have participated. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause for all of our students who have participated in such external activities. It is a remarkable effort that will provide them plenty of exposure and definitely help them with their academic journeys. That said, let us begin with the IGKO, that is, the International General Knowledge Olympiad, wherein a total of 89 students have participated. Our student, Lokesh Mahajan of grade 7, has made us proud by winning a gold medal of excellence for his performance in the exam. Next, let us talk about the results of the NSO, that is, the National Science Olympiad, where our students have knocked their competitors' socks off with their astounding performances. Please put your hands together for our students who have qualified for the second level at the NSO. They are Arshika Arora and Yatharth Pavnikar from grade 3, Rohan Bodapati from grade 5, Vivan Valani and Pranav Jha of grade 6, Madhura Chaudhary from grade 7, Kirti Tiwari from grade 8, and finally Manish Gupta from grade 10. Congratulations, Aryans! Next, let us talk about the results of the IEO, that is, the International English Olympiad, wherein a total of 123 students have participated. Put your hands together for our qualifiers of the second level. Ayansh Karmakar of grade 3, Aditya Mende of grade 5, Vivan Valani of grade 6, and Arya Kotayan also of grade 6. Congratulations, Aryans!
Now for the IMO. There were 219 participants. From grade 2, we have Anirvedh Deshpande with the Medal of Distinction and Certificate of Zonal Excellence with a cash prize of Rs 500. From grade 3, we have Utkarsh Kade. From grade 4, we have Divyansh and Advit Joshi. From grade 5, Shreya Daima. From grade 6, we have Vivan Valani. From grade 7, we have Asmit Sharma. From grade 8, Arya Gaikwad. And from grade 10, we have Manish Gupta qualified for the second level. Now for the NCO, National Cyber Olympiad. Our superhero from grade 6, with a magnetic field of winning, Master Vivan Valani, has received a Medal of Distinction and Certificate of Zonal Excellence. Aryans have absolutely hit it out of the park at the NELTAS English Competency Test with over 120 participants. Arya Gurukul encourages multilingualism, in which 28 students had participated in the Marathi Olympiad this year. Now for the budding poet. In CCMTC Angla Goshti, Ash passionately turned the poet on for Neetu Nair from grade 12, Shivani Sandeep and Aditi Iyer from grade 9, who had exhibited their penchant for words and languages through poems published in CCMTC Journal 2023-24. Now it's over to Anvita and Ahana.
Thank you, Ishita Didi and Nigel Bhaiya. External Competitions Unified Council, UCO. We are thrilled to announce the outstanding achievers who have left an indelible mark with remarkable performance. Divyansh Nayak, a paragon of academics expertise, reigns as a class topper, while Divyansh Dubey, a luminary of Maharashtra and Goa, claims rank 1 in UCO exams. Shreya Daima ascends as the class valedictorian, and Vivan Valani seizes the 10th spot among the nation's elite achievers. Let's have more updates by Anvita Didi.
Thank you, Ahana. Unified International English Olympiad UIEO. Shreya Daima shines as the apex of linguistic mastery, clinching the title of class topper in Unified International English Olympiad UIEO, while Vivan Valani make his way to a prestigious rank, epitomizing linguistic adeptness across Maharashtra and Goa. Unified International Math Olympiad UIMO, Arnav Namdev distinguishes himself as a quintessential apex of academic excellence, reigning as a paramount class topper within the school. Following suit, Ayansh Karmakar ascends to zenith, mirroring Arnav's accomplishment as yet another pinnacle of scholastic achievements. Ayan Das garners the esteemed position of second in command, while Vivan Kamble secures a distinguished title of runner-up. Devansh Dubey, another luminary, adds to the illustrious roster as yet another paragon of academic brilliance, solidifying school's legacy of intellectual distinction. International Finance Olympiad and Global Economic Olympiad (GEO). In the realm of financial acumen and economic prowess, Gaurav Valeta, grade 9th, shines at the 7th position in the International Finance Olympiad, while Ashish Singh, grade 10th, clinches the esteemed first place in GEO, accompanied by cash prize of Rs 1,500, with Vedanta closely following at the 7th position. Now for the results of inter-school competition, we have Prishi and Aradhya.
Thank you, Anvita Didi and Ahana. Birla Creativity Conclave. Congratulations on the remarkable achievements of Arya Gurukul in its various competitions. It's evident that the student possesses exceptional skills and creativity. At the national contest, Arya Gurukul claimed the top spot in the contest, showcasing their ability to think outside the box. The contestants were Arohi Nikim, Snehi Chaturvedi, Aradhya Bhatnagar and Spruha Kale. Biblo competition. Arya Gurukul succeed in the competition, proving their expertise in literary excellence. The representatives were Ian Chovakaran and Vivan Valani. Imaginarium Visual Arts competition. Arya Gurukul rode to victory in the Imaginarium Visual Arts competition, painting a picture of success in the competition. These achievements highlight the outstanding abilities and accomplishments of the students Saili Changan and Ahana Roy in the category of Best Text from Arya Gurukul, leaving a lasting impression of their talent and dedication. In the category of Crossfire Debate, Gandhali Oak won Best Interjector Award. In the category of Most Promising School Citation Award in Junior category, overall we received Best Delegation Award. Now it's over to my friend Aradhya.
Thank you, Prishi. Spectrum 2023. Fantastic news about Arya Gurukul. Continued success in Spectrum 2023. Hop Till You Drop competition. Arya Gurukul clinched the top prize in the Hop Till You Drop competition, demonstrating their unstoppable energy and determination. Now, let us hear about victorious students that includes Anish Tatikota, Pranav Taude, Mrinal Patoli, Suhana Das, Chirag Rajput, Ananya Nair, Tiana Pille, Sanika Chinchure, Agnesh Chavan, Anushka Tambe. Unplugged Melodies competition. Arya Gurukul secured the second position in the Unplugged Melodies contest, hitting right the notes despite fierce competition. Participating students: Aparna Nair, Tejal Javli, Vihan Ram, Veer Panchal, Raima Mukherjee. Now the news from IIMUN. IMN by my friend Daivik and Ahana.
Thank you, Aradhya. IIMUN, IMAN, which stands for the Indian International Model United Nations, is an academic competition where students role play as diplomats. We observed enthusiastic participation from our students in this conference. Mansi Singh, studying in grade 10th, received a special mention prize among 200 other participants. The academic year 2023-24 has been a very purposeful and fruitful. The year witnessed many milestones of excellent achievements in academics, co-curricular activities, sports and games, which aimed at improving the quality education and all-round development of the students. It is a proud privilege to present before you a brief report of the achievements of the school. The year started on a very bright note when the school results for classes 10th and 12th was declared. I am happy to place on record that the school continues to be a harbinger in imparting quality education. Our school results stand testimony to the hard work put in by students, parents and teachers. Now over to Hana.
Thank you, Devik. Arya Gurukul received 100% results in grade 10th and 12th CBSE board examination. The top notch of scored 99% in grade 10 by Pranav Gore and 96% in grade 12 by Kaustubh Dubey. Now a major look at co-curricular activities all year around by Siddhi Didi and Krishna.
चरणों में उनकी शांति समाए, शरणागत की राखी मिटाए, पाप ताप संताप हरण की, आरती श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की, आरती सद्गुरु की।
Here we present the report of activities the school has chalked out and executed with a definite purpose in mind in 2023-24. Arya Gurukul Nandivli Annual Day celebration was held at Savitribai Phule Auditorium with the theme Ma Amrutam, which means great nectar in Sanskrit. T.S. Eliot, the renowned poet, describes April. April is cruelest month, breeding lilacs out of dead land, mixing memories with desire, stirring dull roots with spring rain. Contrary to this is April to we Aryans. April brings in the joy of reopening of new academic year, the season of transmutation and metamorphosis that saw the reopening of academic year 2023-24 with a special assembly followed by the graduation ceremony, farewell of grade 10 and 12 organized by grade 9 and 11. For further updates on Invest Teacher ceremony, we have Krishna.
Thank you, Siddhi Didi. Invest Teacher ceremony and the formation of a promissory council for primary and secondary. The month closed with the conduct of honor society wherein students are awarded for their outstanding achievements in scholastic as well as co-scholastic. Next came Maharashtra Day, which was observed with tremendous zeal and enthusiasm. Now let's hear some more from Arnav and Dhanishta Didi.
Thank you, Krishna and Siddhi Didi. Moving on, we celebrated World Environment Day, which was organized and carried out by the Students' Council and featured outstanding leadership and creative qualities. Under the theme of Beat the Plastic Pollution for World Environment Day 2023, Arya Gurukul NCC second year cadets enacted a skit, took an oath and planted tiny saplings with sloganeering. This marked the beginning of the June after summer holidays. Now it's over to Dhanishta Didi.
Yogastha Guru Karmani Sangam Tetva Dhananjaya Siddha Siddhi Samo Bhutva Sangam Yoga Uchyate. At Arya Gurukul, we join the global community in commemorating the significant day with various activities and initiatives. This report highlights the International Yoga Day celebration at our school.
ये
बड़ी कल्पनाओं का है मंथन, छोटी बड़ी कल्पनाओं का है मंथन।
This song has really set the tone for the next announcement. The month of August is synonymous with Manthan. Yes, parents, Manthan Inspiring Excellence under the theme Sustainable Developmental Goals was held last year for the students of all grades to display their talents through various team presentations. In order to raise awareness of value of trees, encourage afforestation and protect environment, July was designated as One Mahotsav Week. To actively include students in this momentous occasion, we have planned a number of events. The purpose of these activities is to teach, motivate and cultivate in kids a sense of environmental responsibilities. Now let us have more updates from Karthik and Vivan.
Thank you, Dhanishta. As the month of August draws to a close, the main event held was Gayatri Havan, which enables us to redirect our energies towards every facet of our identities, which in turn reflects our own identities to foster a sense of overall well-being. The month of August also saw the commencement of Mahamanav Sapta, observed as Chinmaya Aradhana Day. Teachers can make such a profound impact on our lives and should be honored as heroes. Self-Government Day was observed by the students of grade 10th planning and executing for Teachers' Day celebration. The students' program aimed to empower themselves by making them independent, exhibiting leadership qualities and developing self-confidence. And now for more updates on assemblies, we have Vivan.
Thank you, Karthik. Assemblies serve as valuable assets for a school by promoting a sense of community, facilitating communication, supporting educational goals, and contributing to the overall well-being and development of students. Our school celebrates and observes all the special days celebrated in India. This year, the assemblies which were conducted are International Yoga Day, Hindi Saptah, Chinmaya Aradhana Day, International Day of Older People, Special Assembly on Grandparents, Mahamanav Saptah, International Day of World's Indigenous Personalities, Special Assemblies during the whole week, Independence Day, Kargil Vijay Divas, Swami Tejamayananda Ji's birthday, Special Assembly, Swami Chinmayananda's birth anniversary, World Earth Day. Now we have Disha and Abhishri for more updates.
Thank you, Vivan Bhaiya and Karthik Bhaiya. The final events were to announce the Indian independence celebration Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, to bolster the spirit and values of patriotism in the Indian way of life, followed by flag hosting ceremony. For more such updates, I would like to call my friend Abhishri.
Thank you, Disha. Ganpati
Bappa Moria.
On the eve of Ganesh Chaturthi, young ones took part in an eco-friendly Ganesha making Sankal, where they explore techniques to craft eco-friendly Ganesh figurines and showcase their artistic abilities. Now, for more updates, we have Riyanj Bhaiya and Hiya Didi.
Thank you, Abhishri. The students celebrated Janmashtami Gopal Kala to further their education in spirituality and morality, diversity and cultural awareness, mindfulness and focus, as well as to learn ethical values and celebrate learning and respect for the customs. The primary and secondary school students celebrated Hindi Saptah by taking part in several competitions such as Kavita Lekhan, Kahani Lekhan, Doha Gayan, role play, drama, and Mehendi designs. The students observe Grandparents' Day at the end of the month in an effort to nurture a relationship between grandparents and grandchildren, as well as love and respect for their parents. Now, for more updates, we have here
Thank you, Rianch. As we approached October, the 9-day Navratri holiday, which we commemorated in the school, commenced with Ghata Sthapna. The sacred ceremony invokes the goddess Durga and adorns her to offer affluence, proficiency, delight, and expertise. Our parents hold the greatest relevance in our lives. They are the ones who mentor us as we move through the various stages of life. Matru Pitru Pujan is a jubilation of love in its true form between the most loved ones, parents and children, and it is a day to show them our appreciation for their presence. We worship them with euphoria and exuberance, expressing gratitude for teaching us the true meaning of love. Now we have Spruha and Swara.
Thank you, Hiya and Riyaj. Mastiki Pachala, a week of Baglis days hosted by Arya Gurukul, was packed with entertaining events. The NEP suggests that all schools implement Baglis days, something that Arya Global schools have been following since past many years. Mastiki Pachala was more than just craftsmanship. Through role-playing and creativity, they sought to develop skill sets. Children were able to improve their talents through activities like knitting, sewing, embroidery, dress designing, and puppet creation. Also, a vital life skill, students learned how to change an automobile's tires. In keeping with the Diwali spirit, activities included making lanterns, rangoli, and diyas. Composting and landscape beautification were two of the Green School's main initiatives. Anticipating the Diwali vacations, there was a lot of excitement and laughter in the school. Our mantra, Happy Child, Happy Nation, was reaffirmed during the successful Mastiki Pachala event. Now, let's hear about Khel Mela by Swara.
The opulent annual sporting event, known as the Khel Mela, took place with great zest in the month of December. The fabulous event encompassed a broad spectrum of activities such as march past, stunning scenes with intriguing adventures. On top of that, an ode of Sukhmani Sahib's Gurbani was recited on the director's birthday. Ganit Saptah kicked off in the month of December with an assortment of competitions and contests aimed at engendering in young learners a love of mathematics and urging them to have a positive attitude towards the subject. For more updates, we have Jia, Siddhi Didi, Neetu Didi, and Ayush Bhaiya.
Thank you, Swara and Spruha. The subsequent occurrence was Makar Sankranti, which turned out to acknowledge the festival's cultural significance across the nation, each with its own rituals and delicacies. Amid proactively taking part in the kite flying activity, students received Tilgul, a traditional treat. Moving on to February, Science Week was held with the goal of raising students' awareness of science and technology. The purpose of the quiz was to gauge the students' understanding of importance of science for advancement, creativity, and welfare of mankind.
To sum up, this year we all made a huge progress towards realizing our goals for the school, the holistic development of each student. Even though one step has been taken, there are still more to go, and success is undoubtedly attainable. School achievements.
In an era where education transcends traditional boundaries, it is imperative for educators to continually refine their craft. Our program is not just about acquiring knowledge, but also fostering a culture of lifelong learning and professional growth. So here's why and how our program stands out. In-house training for teachers of Arya Gurukul began with Cascade in Management titled Be Believe, Behold last year in April.
The Green School workshop was conducted by Mrs. Asmita from Earthen Roots. The Khet activity was conducted for grade 5th, 9th and 10th with purpose of equipping students with farming activities.
In-house training for teachers by management was held under enrichment program in beginning of this academic year with focus on competency-based learning, CP guidelines of creative writing and debate.
Principal Mrs. Radhamani Iyer attended leadership program at IIT Powai and also at Whistlewood Film City.
Teachers attended outhouse training on mathematical concepts. Further, teachers attended training on IBM certification on capacity building program in AI for grade 11 and 12.
Teachers attended the center webinar in March for developing scientific temper.
In-house training for teachers on subject integration for English conducted in December comprises of storytelling as pedagogy, assessment strategies and gamification.
Teachers also attended NEP by CBSE at BK Birla Public School.
Teachers also attended the Angla Goshti workshop on English teaching organized by CCM Tech in Coimbatore.
Arya Gurukul's commendable achievement in securing the 4th position among 22 schools in Mumbai in ICPE organized Mega Plastic Waste Collection Drive highlights their proactive commitment to environment conservation. Kudos in securing certificate as one of Maharashtra's top 20 CBSE schools, ranking 10th statewide and 7th in Thane district is truly commendable. Arya Gurukul's achievement underscores its commitment to excellence and sets high standards for educational atrocities.
It gave me immense pleasure to announce that the Nation Building Award, organized by Private School Principals Association, was honored to Arya Global Group of Schools. Mrs. Radhamani Iyer was awarded the Exceptional Principal Award. Congratulations to the visionary trailblazers in the realm of education. Your dedication and inspiration continue to propel us forward. Mrs. Veena Nair was honored with Certificate of Achievement for being recognized as the most innovative educator at the Illuminate Biology Education Award. Mrs. Reshmi Shrikumar Nair received Certificate of Achievement for the Best Coordinator at the Illuminate Biology Education Award. Mrs. Bhairavi Nair, designated ANO, has been commissioned with the rank of 3rd Officer in Air Force NCC. Mrs. Bharti Nare, designated ANO, has been commissioned with the rank of 3rd Officer in Naval Wing NCC.
Thank you parents for your patient hearing. This was the team of AG Reporters Nandavali. Have a good day. Namaste. Hari Om.